Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Police Confront Abusive Girlfriend at Boyfriend's Home Ends Badly by YYZ Body Cam. Domestic violence.
Where's she at? In her room filled with that. Step out here with me, okay? Step out here, man. You got any dogs or anything?
Taylor, she's nice.
Do you want me to take him to the car?
Any weapons or anything on you?
Bro got a mean sunburn.
Hi, pup.
Sweetie.
Step out there.
No.
Oh, yeah, she look like she be beating his ass.
I got you. Is anything else? Anybody else in the house, man?
He's a crybaby ass that likes to cheat on me.
Stop.
In front of the cops, babe?
What's going on? Push your dog up so I don't get bit. Hey, nothing. Listen, stop. What's going on today? I know, sorry about that. You can step in there and talk to him. Hey, what's going on? Hey, I'm not
Why is she so evil looking?
Chill out. What's going on?
I'm not doing nothing. I'm standing in my front door.
Okay, but what's going on? Hey, stop.
She got a vape in her hand. Oh shit, in the rocks. Ooh, that's gotta hurt.
Right in the face? I don't think so.
She hit you in the face? Oh. Well, we know who wear the pants in that relationship.
Absolutely not. Yep.
Is that a hook in her eye? What the fuck is that? Oh shit, them long ass eyebrows.
All right, man.
What up?
Oh, do you want EMS?
No,
Or
it's
anything,
just a
or
little
medical?
nick. She was just
Okay.
swinging and it barely nicked me.
You kind of.
Yeah,
So,
I was trying to go for the arm. I'd rather charge a gun than a knife.
yeah.
And yeah, she just got me a little bit.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, did she get you anywhere else, or just?
Not that I know of.
Okay. You care? Here, turn around. I'm gonna just double check, make sure.
You know,
Okay. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna take a picture of that real quick.
Sorry, I'm shaking.
You're fine, man. Alrighty. So from the very beginning,
Woke up.
whenever. Okay.
Took a piss.
Okay.
Apparently she went through my phone. I have a contact, Jay. I have a friend named Jay. She deleted every single female on my phone.
Okay.
Because, I mean, I had to do the same thing just because, given the same treatment she was giving me.
Yeah.
Woke up, went to go piss. She freaked out saying, "Who the is Jay? This is Jasmine. This is Jasmine." I'm like, "I don't know. You deleted her off my phone. I do have a buddy named Jay."
Okay.
She called.
Yeah.
My buddy didn't answer. His girl answered, and so she freaked
Oh.
out. And she said, I told you. Grab the knife from in there, and then I would try calling you guys once, and it's like, no, I'm just gonna call her mom. Her mom was like, "Can you
I
take
ain't gonna lie. Somebody gotta do this to me because they feel betrayed, and it's one of my friends, not the actual female. Yeah, it's time to end that relationship. I'll move out. Hell, you can stay right here. I'm gone.
text me?" I'm like,
Yeah.
"If she's got a knife, I'm just gonna call the cops."
Yeah. Yeah.
Her mom usually can calm her down, but she was a knife and
Yeah. Yeah. No, you did the right thing. 100%. You did the right thing. So.
You want us to pursue charges on her for this?
no, she just needs to get back on her mess.
So you don't want to pursue charges for her stabbing you?
I mean, it's a little nick. I'm not.
It's up to you, man. Hey, it's anyone wants to contact. It does not matter.
Yeah.
I mean, she's going to jail regardless. She fought one of our officers. She's going to jail.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's if you want to pursue charges against her. Completely up to you.
No, let her deal with that. I just needed a witness. I mean, I can't. I'm not gonna hit a. I'm
No.
sorry, I'm not gonna hit a girl.
Well, that's what I know.
Crazy. I mean,
I'm not. I'll be honest. I ain't been on too long, but I do know that that's it for now.
yeah. No,
Is this the first time she's ever done anything like this?
I have pictures on my phone of her on my face. That was the first time I should have called you guys.
Yeah.
I was like,
Oh, she's got a history.
I'm just gonna call her mom.
So
It was a bigger one than that, but yeah, I didn't know that one was in there too. I bet it's between the bed and the wall.
So there's a history of this.
Yeah,
I've heard
she is
doing this.
not with just me, but with the other dudes. And
The other dudes.
yeah, I guess I just got tired of it.
And then are you guys dating or?
Dating.
Okay. How long have you guys been
She better not be pregnant, cause your ass stuck like Chuck.
dating?
Since like Super Bowl of last year.
Okay.
Of this year, actually.
Okay.
So not that long, and it's been literally it's been on and off because of her wanting to fight and just cause problems.
Yeah. So does she live here too?
Yeah, that's her room.
Okay.
She has a roommate, Jared, who also helps pay out the rent. He's in St. Louis. He's like an electrician right now. He
Okay.
comes here.
I get that.
Few days.
Did dispatch get your information and everything?
Roommate or friends with benefits?
I don't think so. I was just too busy on the phone with you guys.
No, I get it. 100%, man.
Caitlin Hopper, right?
Yeah, it's been on.
How long have you been dating?
Since like
Damn.
literally on and off. This is probably the 8th
since Super Bowl.
of like February,
Gotcha.
whenever the Super Bowl was.
All right. What's your name and date of birth?
It's just a little neck.
Oh. Wow.
It's
Marion
not
18, I got
sharp
one by
knife,
name and date of
but,
birth.
I mean, she just. I don't know if you can grab it.
Do you want to go to the hospital?
No, I'm fine.
So like a actual chef's knife is what it looks like?
Yeah, it's like a miniature
Thick.
chef knife.
And then
Thick, yeah, it's
what colors, remember?
black and silver, just like that one, but it's the blade is a little bit thicker.
2-9.
Your tetanus up to date?
I wasn't too sure. Last time I got my tetanus shot was in the Army, and that was in 2019, I think.
So where exactly did it happen? Did it happen
It
in the living
happened
room?
literally right here.
Okay, kind of in the hallway?
Yeah, right here is whenever she actually started swinging, and then you're right there, and that's whenever I tried to grab her hand and she got my pinky.
So she was back where you are and you were
She was
where
right
I am?
here. She was right where you're
Okay.
at, and I was
Oh
trying
yeah, she batshit crazy.
to walk out, calling the phone. Well, she had my phone, threw it at the wall, and I
Okay.
grabbed it, and then she grabbed the knife, and yeah.
Okay, so you were
Walking
back there,
out, yeah.
walking out,
Yeah.
and she was
Right
right
there.
here next to the couch
Yeah.
and was...
She swung about 4 times right there.
Okay.
And the one time got me on the pinky, and
Yeah.
then the other times I just called you guys.
Yeah. That's
Fuck
a
that.
good thing to do. Rough time frame, you know, when the yelling started, when...
Oh, literally within 5 minutes of me calling you guys. I called you guys the first time. That was immediately when it started happening because I'm not
Yeah.
dealing with the knife.
Uh-huh.
Then I called her mom. Her mom didn't answer twice, and then I called
Okay.
you guys again.
All right.
Yeah, that
I
time
think
frame
we got
was
all we need.
literally-
What
Then-
car does your mom drive?
A Lexus.
Lexus. Okay,
Black
there's
Lexus.
a white Chrysler out here. What's that?
And then what does... I'm sorry, do you want to press charges on that?
Yeah, she can deal with a song with cop. I'll be fine with a little pinky.
All right.
All right, man.
That works.
Thank you guys. I really appreciate it.
Take care.
The suspect was charged with battery. Thanks for watching today's video.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well. As helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.